Hi everyone! 7 sisters behind me. Like that. Can you see that? White wall. It's a white wall?
Cliffs. The white cliffs of Dover.
Cliff.
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 C-R-I-F-F.
No. C-L-I-F-F.
Cliff. Okay. So today, I came here because I want to show you how to pronounce poor.
Yes.
So, British ways, British English, like a poor, or I don't have any money. Say it.
Poor.
Poor. And like if I have this is cup and this one
Poor.
and thank you and dog's palm.
Poor.
It's the same pronunciation, right?
Yes.
Everyone. So but different spell.
Yes, different spelling, same pronunciation.
Yes. But Scottish way, something different. Hi, Mark, come here. Hello. My friend Mark. Hello.
So I'm from Glasgow, which is in Scotland.
Oh, see, yeah, Glasgow. So, Mark, so how do you say?
Yeah.
So, I don't have money.
Poor.
Pure.
Poor.
Pure.
Poor.
Poor. Difficult. and like this.
Poor.
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 Poor. And this one.
Paw.
Poor.
Paw.
Yeah, completely difference. Everyone.
So, how do you say it in English?
Poor. Right?
Where
Poor,
I say
poor, poor.
poor, poor, paw.
Pure. Poor. Paw.
No tax, don't try. It's too
Poor,
often.
poor, paw.
English way.
Poor, poor, poor.
Scottish way.
Poor, poor, paw.
Tack way?
Poor. Pow.
Oh.
No, don't copy me, okay? my English is like a tacklish, very original ones. Yeah, so the beautiful sightseeing, right? A beautiful sea. So if you came to like England, so it's nice to visit here. Anyway, thank you, Mark.
You're welcome.
Thank you all.
Thank you.
Thank you everyone.
Bye.
Bye.